Welcome back with the fourth chapter, Microsoft Word 2010, the Insert tab. This is the second video lecture of chapter number 4. The topics which include in this video that are inserting word art. Word art is a decorative text. Next is formatting with word art. How we can do formatting with a word art, how we can do changes with a word art. After that, inserting shapes. It means how we can insert the shapes in our Word document. And next is adding a text into shapes. In this, I will tell you how we can add, how we can type in our shapes which we have added in our Word document. At last is inserting symbols. Symbols are the special characters which we can insert in our document, such as copyright symbols. After inserting picture or formatting with picture, I will tell you about word art. Word art is a decorative text that can be added to a document. How we can add that? We have to click on Insert tab. Then there is an option of word art. There is inbuilt word art designs. You can select anyone which you want. For example, I will select this design. After selecting, a box will appear. In that box there is written your text here, so you will delete that and you can write any text which you want in your document. After writing this, click on OK button, so you can see word art is inserted. You can also expand the size of word art from that corners. This way you can insert the word art. You can also change the color in word art from shape fill option. In format tab, shape fill option will be available. From that you can change, you can apply any color for your word art, or you can also change the shape outline. In format tab, go to shape outline, give any outside color for your word art. After that, change shape. You can also add, or you can also change the shape for your word art. You can select any one shape which you want. Now shape is also changed. This way you can insert word art and you can do formatting with your word art. How to delete that? Click on there and press the delete key from the keyboard. This way you can also delete that and you can add a new word art. Now I will tell you how to insert shapes in a Word document. Go to Insert tab. Then there is an option of shapes. Click on it. Inbuilt shapes are available in your Word document. Select any one shape which you want. For example, I need a smiley shape. Click on it. Then drag it on your screen. This way you can insert a shape. You can also do formatting with shape. How we can do that? Click on it. So this way we can fill color in our shape, we can give outline border to our shape, or we can change the shape. For example, shape fill. In this I will tell you how to fill color. Select any one color according to your need, then click on it. Your color is filled in your shape. Next is shape outline. It means shape border. Whichever the color you like, you can give. After that, from here you can also change the weightage. Weightage means to change the thickness. So click on it. You can change its thickness. At the last, change shape. You can also change the shape from here. How to insert text in a shape. By right clicking on a shape, there is an option of add text. Click on it. Then a blinking cursor you can see on a shape. Then you can write whatever you want to write in your shape. I have written triangle. Now you can also change the size of your font by selecting that. Go to Home tab. From the font option you can select according to your need. Now this way you can insert text in a shape. Now at last I will tell you how to move a shape or a picture or a clip art from one place to another. Click on it and you can simply drag. It can be moved from one place to another. At last I will tell you how to insert symbols in your document. Symbols are special characters which we can find from insert option or insert tab. Go to insert tab, there is an option of symbols. Here are symbols. You can select any one symbol which you need. For example, I need this copyright sign. Click on it, it will be available on your screen. Again I am doing, go to insert option, then click on symbol option from the symbols, then select the symbol, click on it. It will be appear on your screen. This way we can change its size, select that, go to home tab. From here you can change its size from the font group. So here our chapter is finished. If you have any doubt, if you have any query, feel freely to type it in a comment box. Thank you.